I want to get into this article that Don shared with me. Um, did I share this? I get it. Interestingly enough, the person who wrote this article is also his name is Donald Johnson. So I'm wondering if Mr. Donald Johnson is the Donald Johnson that I know. All right. Anyways, let's. We'll share the article. It is Mr. Donald Johnson. All right. All right. I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here. All right. So let's do this. We'll read this together. Why don't we? All right. So the article is entitled The Underappreciated Role of SDETs and QA in Software Development. It says some people harbor the misconception that software development engineers in test, SDETs, or quality assurance professionals are underappreciated, merely existing to ensure that a purple button turns green when clicked. This oversimplified view does a disservice to the critical role that testing plays in software development. More than just regression, QA is about much more than tedious regression testing and ensuring key functionalities work. There's a deeper approach to testing that is often overlooked. For example, SDETs and QA analysts can conduct tests to verify if the business models are functioning as intended. This type of testing is of immense importance to any business by any business by examining how different features and operations align with the company's objectives. QA helps in steering the project towards long-term success. Shout out to Mr. Donald Johnson so far. Analyzing business logic through multiple scenarios. Furthermore, SDETs and QA teams can simulate millions of different use cases against the business models. These scenarios help in understanding the robustness of the system, and the findings can be crucial for business decisions. These exercises offer invaluable insights into the limitations and the opportunities that the current model presents, aiding in business optimization and risk mitigation. All right, so as we continue reading this, I want anybody who, and this is not just limited to QA engineers and SDETs, right? This goes on beyond like pretty much all roles, right? But we're focused on the QA and the SDET, right? Greetings to you, Miss Randy. So happy to have you here. Always appreciated. Thank you so much, Miss Randy, for being here. All right. So what I want what the point I'm trying to say, right? The goal, whatever your role is to add value, right? When we approach it with the mindset of that's not my job, that's when your value starts to diminish. All right. So let's keep going a bit, right? Where did we stop off? All right. So specialized testing methods. When choosing a career in testing, it's essential to understand that specialized test types of testing, like exploratory ad hoc testing and programmatic permutation testing, are instrumental in examining the business logic of your organization. These tests push the boundaries of what the application can handle and often uncover hidden issues that wouldn't be apparent in standard testing environments, ensuring market fit. Through different kinds of specialized testing, you may discover that your business model doesn't align with the market you're aiming to serve. This discrepancy is crucial to identify early on, and it's the QA team's findings that can guide a business back on course. The guardian of the QA galaxy. All right. So, if you think that a career in testing is a dead end, you're probably not grasping the full picture.
Message.
View view testing as being the guardian of your company's quality, because that's what it essentially is. An effective QA process is often the difference between a satisfied customer and a public relations nightmare. In conclusion, SDETs and QA professionals are far from being underappreciated or expendable. They play a vital role in shaping the software, ensuring that not just the user interface, but the underlying business logic and market alignment are sound. Far from being a bottleneck or a check mark, they are the guardians of software quality, ensuring that the end product isn't just a functional, but also a robust, a reliable, and aligned with the business goals. So this, see, I don't even, like I said, I don't remember exactly what I said in that video, but this is right on, right? When thinking about the and I'm gonna post this link in the chat as well because this is a very important article that I think is invaluable, right? Right. Check out that article, right? And create an account, subscribe to this newsletter because I think that there will be invaluable information here, right? Get all these, right? So definitely check those out. All right, all right, all right. So let's do this. So one thing I wanted to touch on as well, right, is that give me a second. So one thing I wanted to touch about, right, is where in the article it mentions that that far from being underappreciated or expendable. So you gotta realize as well, right? When there needs to be some sort of quality assurance, but you also need to make sure that you are leveling up your skills and that you are not I've seen so many questions and posts talking about, "Oh, I just wanna do manual testing forever." Well, if you're not moving forward, if you're standing still at that, right, you're already moving backwards because, um, there's serious competition out there, and, um, like, if you can't keep up, then, you're going to get, passed over. So, always continue to level up your skills, always continue to get better, and, you know, don't hold on to the past. All right? Keep getting better and moving forward because if you want to stay in the same stagnant spot, then trust me, one of my tech barbarians, they're going to walk right past you and take everything that's yours. And you know why? Because that's what I'm training them to do, right? We're monsters. All right? And we're going to win. We're going to win. Right? So shout out to Don for that amazing article and shout out to the tech barbarians who are engineered to win.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.